Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Instagram on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To install Instagram on Windows 11 computer, go to your Google Chrome browser and log into Instagram, and then on upper right corner you will find a three dot icon to show more. Click on three dot icon and here you will find an option save and share. Go to save and share and you will find here install Instagram. Just click on install Instagram and a pop-up window has been opened. Here you will find Instagram logo and the name Instagram also. Just click on the install button here. Now Instagram has been installed on my Windows 11 computer, and here you will find a desktop shortcut icon on your Windows 11 desktop, and a pop-up window also will open. And would you like to pin Instagram to your taskbar? Click on yes button to pin Instagram in your taskbar. Now close Instagram, and here on taskbar you will find Instagram icon, and also you will find Instagram icon on your desktop. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.